All right, folks, I got a 2014 Toyota Sienna, and the maintenance required light is on, and a couple other lights, but I only have the key on. So let's reset that maintenance required.
Only resets.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on trip A. Sorry for the glare. You're gonna turn the key off. You're gonna push down on the reset and then turn the key on, and you'll see the maintenance required lights flashing. When that stops flashing, it also is saying it up there. Here, I'm gonna do it again and show you up there. See if I can get this set here. So while you're holding it, get that set. Oops. While you're holding the button like I just did, watch the that display. It says resetting maintenance data. So I'm still holding it, and when it goes complete, I let go of the button, let go of that button, the maintenance light's off. Let's go back to our miles, 253K. We start it up, and the maintenance light's out. All right, hope this helps, guys. Thanks a lot.